Hi everybody, missing you loads. Can't wait to get back to school and see you all. Really sorry about last week's quiz. If you tried to get onto the quiz, unfortunately I wasn't able to get to work properly, so I thought we'll do it this way instead. So we're going to do a general knowledge quiz. There's 20 questions and let's see how many you can get right. Okay, pause this video anytime if you want to have more time to think about the questions, or if you want to check some answers, you can go back. If you want to, you can put your score on the Athrai class page to let everybody know how you got on. You don't have to. If you don't do very well, keep it to yourself. If you want to be a bit of a show off and show everybody your really good score, then you can put it on the class page. Right, here we go. Question number 1. How many days in a week? So, question number 1, how many days are there in a week? Question number 2, how many colours in a rainbow? So, question number 2, how many colours in a rainbow? And like I said, if I'm going a little bit too fast, pause it after I finish saying the question. Give yourself a little bit more time to think. Question number 3. What is the name of the shape that has 5 sides? What is the name of the shape that has 5 sides? And number 4. How many zeros are there in 1,000? How many zeros are there in 1,000? Question number 5. I'm hoping you all get this one right. What is the capital of Wales? So question number 5, what is the capital of Wales? Moving on to number 6. Something we go over every math lesson, but don't let me down. How many centimetres are there in a metre? How many centimetres in a metre? Come on! Question number 7. What do you call a house made of ice? What do you call a house made of ice? Question number 8. How many lungs do you have? Question number 8. How many lungs do you have? Question number 9. Who is this? Don't worry about spelling, as long as you can pronounce it correctly, I will accept it for a point. Number 10. Which is the tallest land animal? So number 10, which is the tallest land animal? And what we'll do there, everybody, there's 20 questions, we'll have a break there. I'll tell you the answers for the first 10, and you can see how many you've got right for the first round, and then we'll do the second round, the next 10 after that. So here come the answers. Number 1, how many days in a week? Well, if you count them, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, there should be 7 days in the week. Number 2, how many colours in a rainbow? Again, you can sing the song. There should be 7 colours in the rainbow. Number 3, 5-sided shape is called a pentagon. A pentagon. And number 4, how many zeros in 1,000? Well, 10 would have 1, 100 would have 2 zeros, 1,000 has 3 zeros. So the answer is 3. Hoping everyone got this one correct. Number 5, What is the capital of Wales? And it is Cardiff. Number 6. How many centimetres are there in 1 metre? We do this on the carpet before math. Hopefully you've got it. 100 centimetres. So 100 centimetres in a metre. Question number 7. What do you call a house made of ice? It's an igloo. An igloo. Number 8. How many lungs do you have? Well, you can't feel for them, but hopefully you should have 2 lungs. So 2 lungs. Number 9. Who is this? Of course, your mums and dads probably won't know, but you might know it was Pikachu. Again, don't worry about spelling. As long as it sounds similar to Pikachu, you can get the point. And finally, number 10 for this round. Which is the tallest land animal? It's a giraffe. So add up your scores. Add up your scores. See how many you get out of 10. And then we will go on to the next round now. So, number 11. Who is the author of this book? World's Worst Teachers. This is the book we read in class for months. Who is the author of that book? World's Worst Teachers. Number 12. What is the word for butterfly in Welsh and Cymraeg? What is the word for butterfly in Welsh? Number 13. What is the orange bit in the middle of an egg called? What is the orange bit in the middle of an egg called? Question 14. How many horns did a triceratops have? And I'll give you a clue. The word tri is a big clue, especially if you think of certain bicycles or things like a bicycle that have the word tri on them. Number 15. Bit of a movie question. Nala and Simba are what kind of animals? So Nala and Simba are what kind of animals? Number 16. Who is this? And number 17. Which flag is this? Or what country does it belong to? So, which flag is this? Number 18. Don't think there's any clues behind me. Which Premier League football team do I support? Give you a clue. They're not very good. So, number 18. Which Premier League football team do I support? Number 19. How do you spell this tricky word? When. So how do you spell the tricky word when? When I went somewhere. How do you spell when? And number 20, the final question for the quiz. What pictures are in the Penyglodfa badge? Now this is for 3 points. There are 3 pictures in the Penyglodfa badge. Can you name them? Okay, answers for number 11. Who was the author of World's Worst Teachers? It was David Walliams. Number 12. What is the word for butterfly in Welsh? You should have got that right, especially one person. It's Pili Pala. Pili Pala. Don't worry about spelling, as long as it's something like Pili Pala, I will accept. Number 13. What is the orange bit in the middle of an egg called? It's the yolk. The yolk. And number 14. How many horns did a Triceratops have? Well, the clue was tri, which means 3. If you have a tricycle, it has 3 wheels. So a Triceratops had 3 horns. Well done if you worked that one out. Okay, question 15. Nala and Simba are types of lion. They're from the Lion King. They're types of lions. Number 16. Who is this? It was one of the characters from Frozen. You might not know his name, but he's called Sven. Sven the reindeer. Number 17. Which flag is this? It is the Scottish flag. The flag of Scotland. So well done if you got that right. That was quite a tricky one. Number 18. Pure luck for some of you. Pure guess. Which Premier League football team do I support? Of course, it's the mighty Newcastle United. You don't have to have the United. As long as you put Newcastle, you get the point. 19. How do you spell when? W-H-E-N. Or if you're doing it phonetically, special friend W, which is the WH, and then N, when. 20. The last question. What pictures are in the Penyglodfa bag? There's 3 points for this one. Hopefully you get all 3 correct. Hopefully you didn't cheat and go and grab a jumper and have a look. So I will accept a point for one of these answers. The bridge, a tree, or if you put a hill or sun, because it's a hill with a sun, you can have a point. So hill or sun, a tree, and the bridge. Those are the 3 pictures in the Penyglodfa badge. Right, that is it for our quiz. Thank you for everybody that took part. Let me know if you like the quiz on the class page. I don't mind doing more quizzes. This was a general knowledge quiz. If you've got any suggestions and you want another quiz, I don't mind doing different subjects. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know your scores. It'll be interesting to see what everybody got. And can't wait to get back to school and see you all. Stay safe, and I'll see you soon.